Nola, are you stoked to fish? I'm with Carter on the Upper Madison right now. Sun's actually starting to come out. Feels really nice. It's supposed to be like 80 today. We're gonna be tossing some dry flies. Only problem is there's a shitload of people. It's gonna be hard to find a spot away from people. But it's all right, that's how it is sometimes. It's fly fishing in Montana for you. It's Upper Madison for you, really. But it'll be worth it when we're hooking into nice fish on some big dries. Might I add, this is where I filmed the other video. It all worked out. This is where Gray got his truck stuck. Which was a very interesting situation because we got stuck and then Cody caught a really nice brown. So we know there's big fish up here. We know it's possible to catch them.
Madison, of course there's big fish up here.
Carter really likes the Upper Madison. This is his jam.
Yellowstone will blow, or there'll be like some massive monster that you find out lives in the volcano of Yellowstone. Some massive dragon, fire-breathing dragon. You're gonna start filming it.
Whoa, got me wet there. Well, today could be interesting. I thought the salmon flies were over. Apparently that's not the case. After my day, I think it was like 2 weeks, week and a half ago, whatever, got my ass kicked by the salmon flies. Kind of avoided them since then. And now we're back on the Upper Madison, a little higher up, and salmon flies are still happening. So, will the fishing be good? That is the question.
Fucking strong, dude. Yeah. Damn. Oh, my man.
We got a double up here. Ryan in the background. He's hooked up. Carter's hooked up. Dang, dude. He's a fighter.
I mean, I'm putting the feet on him, dude.
Beat the big chubby?
Here's the something stone. Sweet, just the way I wanted it.
Right on that dry. You want to see it?
There he is.
Oh
shit. Later, dude.
There's a nice one. Oh! Popped off. Bastard.
Apricots. Food of the fish gods. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh no. Fuck. I just hooked a nice fish and it just broke me off. This morning when we came out, we hit the very tail end of the stoneflies. I mean, there are golden stones and salmon flies everywhere. And we caught some fish, and then it died. Nothing was going on for at least like 4 or 5 hours. I mean, I got a couple eats, I lost a nice fish, but it was generally pretty dead. And now, like 6 p.m., the caddis are starting to come out, and it's like fish every cast, just like crushing caddis. It's sick. I mean, tons of bugs are out too, so gotta read the signs. There's a nice fish on the caddis.
That was sick. Just slurped it. He just jumped like crazy. It's a decent brownie. Whew. It's fighting good. Healthy brownie. Jeez, buddy. He's fighting so hard for his size. I mean, this ain't no 20-inch fish, but dang, he's putting up quite the battle. Nice brownie. Oh my gosh, another nice fish. Almost immediately in the same spot. Holy crap. Just smashed the caddis. Smashed it. That was crazy. There he is. Nice. Rainbow. Decent rainbow. So the fly that I've been using is this guy. It's a caddis and it's super emergy. Has a CDC body, some like really realistic looking wings, but it just looks super realistic and matches the hatch right now, and they've been hammering it. There's another one. Another nice fish. Just slurped it. Such a subtle take. It's so crazy. Could barely see it. It just slurped the freaking fly. Whoa, it has talon marks in it. Looks like an eagle or something grabbed onto this fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah. That was sick. Nice quality bow. It's crazy, it just switched on as soon as it turned into evening. Pretty bow.